Okay.
We're just gonna roll down the hill this time and see if
you can't see anything. Oh my gosh.
Ready?
Will you be able to brighten this up?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
I'll try to. You ready? I'm gonna go.
Okay.
You getting this?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna come down with you.
Alright, hold on. There we go.
You know, wear your hat home.
Okay. Let's go. Yeah.
I can't. Hi.
That was Andrew.
We
did it without failing this time.
I'll do it again.
Unlike us.
Well, we're not
we don't
recording
get
it this
to
time.
What?
He said video too.
Oh. You can't really tell what it is. Well, it's really dark. You can barely see anything.
We might be able to, if we figure out how to edit, we might be able to edit it.
And make it lighter.
Yeah.
Sorry it's so dark. It's late. It's later. It's like something. It's a dog.
It's a wolf! God!
What? They're not wolves.
Yeah, we have a wait.
No, I'm gonna do something. Don't tape it yet. I'm still taping from before.
Okay,
ready? Yeah, I'm getting off too fast. Okay, go. Whatever you're doing. She wiped out. Yeah, kind of. Yeah. I got what is left of it, which is darkness. She wiped out. She's on the ground.
You fail again.
Okay.
I knew it.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the video right now. Whee! That was awesome. Ready?
Gotta go over there. Gotta go right there.
Okay.
Okay, get up between us.
Oh, wait. I can barely see you.
Go down with us. Yeah, you can go down with us. These are deleted scenes. Wait, I didn't use these deleted scenes. Then we'll do that.
Okay.
No, you're not getting
Deleted scenes.
Alright. Okay, we're gonna roll down the hill and hopefully my pants won't bunch up like they did last time like that. Alright.
Okay, ready? Go. Do it. Fail.
Oh, gosh. I just farted. Oh, God.
I got that on video.
What?
I got it on video.
Okay, good. I thought you said it wasn't on.
No, just kidding. I think. Let's do it again.
What? What? You didn't get it?
You gotta do it again.
I think my head is internally bleeding.
I don't think that's possible. Wait, yeah, it is.
Andrew, did you seriously not get that?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, good.
I was like joking, saying. I was like joking, saying.
Yeah, let's not do that again. I didn't think of that.
I'm gonna do that. Hold the camera. Alright, that's fun.
Andrew's gonna try.
Starting right now.
Okay, zoom down. Handlebars. It's
Kind of dark, so you can't really tell.
okay, well, my handlebars are pretty much off, and I'm gonna go down the hill.
Just don't die. That would be sad.
What?
It's only like a stub there.
Yeah, it's only like, I can only put one hand around it.
Long.
I'm gonna go.
Okay.
I love you, Rachel!
I'm gonna follow her. She got a bug in her eye.
Give me the camera. Give me the camera.
No, I got it. I think she crashed.
Yes, then I got bug in my eye.
Haha. That's awesome. We'll have to edit the part out where I was running down the hill because it's
Okay. Okay. So.
Bye.
What?
Okay, I think it's going now. I think.
Okay. You take it off now.
Okay.
I feel like we're not.
Okay, how